Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the duties of the government analyst, analyzer or the test samples of the drugs, cosmetics sent to him by the inspection or other person under the act and to furnish the report or the result of test or analysis. Second, forward to government from time to time reports giving the results of analysis, works and the research. Next is the procedure. First, sample is collected from the inspector or other person. Second, compare the seal on the package with the specimen seals and note its condition. Third one, on the completions of the test report in the triplicate together with full protocols of the test or analysis should be sent to the investigator. In today's class, I discuss about the procedures and the duties of government analyst. Thank you.